Hey guys, welcome back. This is sort of an unexpected unboxing. When I ordered this, I was like, okay, I'll see it in a month or two or something. This is a Tinmi Arts diamond painting, and Tinmi Arts is known for two things. First, they have amazing quality diamond paintings, and second, their shipping is done by turtles or something. It just always seems to take forever. Everybody experiences it, and we've accepted it. I accepted it when I placed this order. I was like, okay, sure, it's fine. I'll see it in a month or three. But then something weird happened. Because when I first saw Tinmi Arts on AliExpress, which was like 3 weeks ago. No, I'm lying. Like a month ago. And I ordered this painting. It took them about a week to start shipping. In the meantime, I saw an unboxing video of Joan Diamond Paints. I will link it in the description box, because if you want to see more unboxings of Tinmi Arts, she unboxed like 3 diamond paintings in that video, so you want to check it out. But then I was like, okay, it's legit, it's cool, it's great. And then the next day, Tinmi Arts sent me a coupon on AliExpress, $2 off on a purchase over $10. So I was like, oh, okay. It has been 17 or 18 days since I placed this order, when I placed the second order, just another single diamond painting. And I used the coupon and I was totally happy. But then 3 days later, this shipment was cancelled. And I got a message, shipment cancelled, you know, and I was like, okay. AliExpress messaged me like, you should request a refund and all that stuff. And I was like, is it really cancelled, or was it still in the warehouse and they canceled it to ship both paintings in one? Or have they resent it yet? I don't know. But I decided to just let it go. And a couple of days later, I was like, okay, maybe I should check it to see what's going on. So I messaged them 2 days ago. I messaged them and I asked, like, my shipment was cancelled a few days ago. Are you gonna resend it, or what should I expect? And they actually replied with a different tracking number saying it's shipped again, and this was shipped on the 22nd of March. And they gave me the tracking number, a tracking website, and it's all good. So this is the weird part, okay? I'm going to show you my phone. So this was accepted by carrier the 22nd of March, because that's when they resend it. Today, the 27th, it was delivered to me. 5 days. Is that weird or what? I'm like, what? 5 days, and this is way too much talking anyway for an unboxing video, but I just want to, because Tinmi Arts is known for like shipping, like taking months, not 5 days. And I don't know what happened. I mean, looking at the postage, I'm not going to show it to you because I haven't blocked my address or something, but it's just standard shipping. It's not prioritized or something. So I don't know why this only took 5 days after they resend it. But I'm glad it's here, because even though I did not expect it, I do have an unboxing to show you. And yeah, I did open the package just to see if both paintings were in here, because I was still curious. But it's just the one that we're gonna look at right now. So it is just the one, right? We'll see. I mean, such a fake packaging for one diamond thing. We'll see. We'll see. Okay. So in one of my last videos of the finished diamond paintings, I did finish a Tinmi Arts diamond painting. That was such a joy, such a pleasure to work on. Oh my god. Okay, I think I'm gonna have to zoom out for this one. But we'll see, we'll do our best. So, wow. That looks way more red and orange than the drills are going to be, I hope. Because this looks pretty insane. Wow. It's a 40 by 60. I thought I ordered a smaller size, but that's okay. It's a 40 by 60. Can you see the entire picture? It's just a tiger. It's nothing special, actually. But I love tigers, so here we go. Okay, wow. Look at those plates of wax. So we have a toolkit with, let me check it out. Yeah, we have the big plate of wax, we have the white boat, we have some metal tweezers and some baggies. I'm guessing 5 times 2. And shall we look at the drills yet, or shall we hold on? Wait, what? There's another toolkit in the drills number. Okay. So, yeah, Tinmi Arts. What can I say? It's just excellent. It's perfect. And I am pleasantly surprised to see some letters this time. With the other painting, which was my first, it was all like the total weird symbols. We still have a lot of symbols. We also have some letters this time, and I really enjoy that. And yeah, let's just have a closer look at the drill field so you can check it out. And I'll do my best to show you the legend. So yeah, as you can see, the tiger is a lot more orange. It's not that red as the picture makes it look. So we have letters. Look, it's weird. So 25 colors. It's a nice number. Let's have a look at the drill field. Can you see that? That is very clear. Wow. That is like not needing a light pad clear. Excellent. Okay, so while you're closed, let's just look at the drills, shall we? Okay, so how do I open this? This will make some noise, please. Hold on. So let's check this out. Okay, some more baggies. Looks like 10 baggies this time. We have a green boat, a pink pen with a 3-placer as well, and we have the black plastic tweezers. So this is different. Alright, I remember. They always send all the bags of drills separately. Now sometimes they have AB colors, and it looks like this time it's not an exception. But I think we only have one AB color. 145. I think. But you know what? I'm just going to do a quick inventory, make sure everything is here. I'm not sure exactly how many bags I need of anything, because you don't really get an inventory sheet or something. But I just want to make sure that every color I need is actually here. So let me check on that. Okay, so I just checked and every color is here. We have quite a lot of the AB drills or bags. And let me just quickly check. Is the T in the painting? So the small T. So there's a lot of AB details lining the tiger stripes. So that is awesome. That's great. And it has the more famous colors as well. We have our 550. This bad boy. Of course our 310s and all that. But yeah, a bit surprised to see this many AB crystals in one painting, even though we only have one AB color. That's still quite a lot, and it's stunning. So, okay, yeah, that is everything I had to show you guys. No, wait, is it true to size? I always forget this. Hold on. Let me get you back. Yeah, the painting's on the side. Anyway, here we go. Let's measure it. Okay. So this should be a 40 by 60. Now that is a 40 exactly. Made a mess, made a mess. Let's get you guys in there. Okay. So that is, wait, am I holding it straight? Again. 60 exactly. That's kind of weird. Okay. But yeah, the drills look good. I don't see a lot of trash, but I never do with their drills. So I think I'm sure that was everything I had to say. This is also a bit of a surprise. Like, come on. How many toolkits do we need to finish one painting? But anyway, I want to thank you very much for watching. Please be safe, take care. Do not expect your Tinmi arts to be there in 5 days. This was just a miracle, I guess. It's a Easter miracle. Okay, you guys take care. See you soon. Bye.